So before I start this review, I want to let you guys know that you can now get this new Channel Number 12 Review Design t-shirt at teesprings.com/stores/Channel Number 12. Get them now while they last. Channel Number 12 here, and welcome back to another food review. Today we are checking out KitKat Strawberry. Yes, strawberry flavor KitKat. And I love just the regular KitKat, but to have it strawberry, even better. I feel that when you add strawberry to any sort of chocolate, it just brings out the flavors of chocolate even more. So I got this. You guys are probably going to all ask, where did I get this? Well, I got this KitKat at the convenience store near my paper route, and it's the only convenience store that I go to that actually has like things that I've never seen before, like the sodas, the Fantas. This convenience store has everything. I think it's called Lucky 7 or Lucky's Variety. It's on the corner of Baldoon and I think it's McNaughton. So definitely, if you guys ever come to Chatham, definitely check out Lucky Variety. When I seen this, I knew I just had to get it. So we're going to review it for you guys. And I love just reviewing different chocolate bars, especially different flavors. The strawberry, that's the first thing you smell. That smells really good, actually. So let's try this. That's actually pretty good. Definitely the strawberry flavor is coming through with that milk chocolate. Wow, I'm just kind of blown away. You don't see anything strawberry in it. But wow, the flavors of strawberry. I usually don't eat a lot of chocolate, but when I do, it has to be flavored chocolate. It's so good. Especially strawberry. Wow. That is sweet though. Like if you want a sweet chocolate, check out KitKat Strawberry. It's definitely sweet. Really, really sweet. But the flavors are just phenomenal. Wow. I was just kind of blown away. The first taste was that strawberry, that burst of strawberry flavor with that nice crisp wafer from that cookie. I'm just blown away. This, I'm going to give this, I think I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. Definitely, there was nothing wrong with it. I liked it. Sweet. Overly sweet, I feel. But still, you know, it's chocolate bar. Definitely recommend. You got to try it. You got to stop what you're doing. Try to find the KitKat Strawberry. You guys will enjoy it. If you guys love strawberry as much as I do, chocolate and strawberry, what can you go wrong with that? So check it out. If you guys have tried this one already, let me know in the comments section below. Let me know if you guys were just blown away by the flavors of the strawberry. And for those who haven't tried this one yet, definitely you got to stop what you're doing, try it, and then come back and let me know what you guys all think. Because you're going to say the same thing as I had. It was amazing. So hope you guys did enjoy this review. As always, if you guys did and you guys want to see more KitKat reviews, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe as always. Don't forget to turn on my post notification on so you never miss a review. All my links, my social media will be in the description. So do follow me as always on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook for upcoming reviews. So until next time, have yourself a great night and I'll see you then. Peace out.